Abusia ya mama chia mama kwa bebra so mamuni ya maudo beso nsamo ya boabo no pay ye bana ye de babeso mo nsam ne doso na poso eni mampeni na dodan kwa kufado de atugasa chichafo ne remfi wo no mokra no mokra di wa dance ye se free 2016 na obeso mayimu no ne remfi wo mu a abribia waka wunum boko central na se dwane yera mama yarega ede kokobo ma Bank of Ghana penimpa so on de wonkoso a no NDC mnasiri jafo na bufu na edu baby a obeba na waba beto wonomo ebema de mekom fifi mantemo abjafo abrewa bi a eka de enka nani bo adeya yesi ECG fo ba betwade nkanem no so wonte ase ema ECG fo no ntwade nkanem ene ne head ne hemre eka de enkomo pa nani ewo mfifi mantem ye beko no mo ne yakwa kodi nkoma busiafo weni afoforo pi no a ene yakekese ne ne se kase baby a wo bia no anope yetimi aba ne ye de aba besom wo bedin ede na na ya obo amalibi aboga busiafo yenye bre na finsam no ye nkomo ankasa emfa emamo ye de bo hyase ye de free man pani na adodanko akufo ado chiman PSC bema boda na tena ye enra na ya chechefo da wi asinyina edebo chechefo baso se ye ma woruma mo efze adwuma bi a ye bia se misi ha ya ma no kaboso gogba se befo yiri eye cheche ni ne kuta me da me A for apple, B for ebipo, C for sipo nom ne ade ade nyina Yesu ma me de se Mary wa papa de se Joseph a chechefo a ene kire ye so also ye doctor teacher ni na kire wade also ye nurse teacher ni na kire wade osu ye post kasi nyina achechefo na ekrakra yen enti enra na akwakoye omo da omo edi omo dwumadie kase ewo takrade abonten so no mampani ekokopie hodom na okacha achechefo ne se wono no pensi achechefo no adi ho adanse se onya omumu oguzua kutekuta womu a wi so de free sekesi ya ba achechefo allowance ne ho nsensem okutekutemu abribia no waka wonum eno eche laptops no ne ade o wode adoma achechefo no a edi ho adanse se o wokwa wo banyina no waka wonum pa mampani na adodanko akufuado.
In raising the minimum qualification to teach in Ghana to a bachelor's degree. 5 years after the implementation of the curriculum, steps are being taken to review it to keep pace with global dynamics. Undoubtedly, improvement of quality in the teacher education institutions is a priority to government. Hence our focus on improving infrastructure and other learning resources in our colleges of education. The colleges of education infrastructure projects, which government has commenced in virtually every college of education, will be completed on schedule to ease pressure on existing infrastructure and to end the shift system in our colleges. Undoubtedly, the Kufuor government's commitment to education has been exemplary because we are of the firm belief that quality education is the enabler that makes a difference between developed and developing nations.
Abuzia former penny na adodanko akufuado ni yete nka nanu akire na education minister Dr. Osaya Waduchum so edibi soso se enya no kre so mayimo ayetie yese teacher for short wa meyenye bi eno ma chekire mana de Dr. Osaya Waduchum kire se sansem na manfo bi keka no kre bia enim
illusion that there's a shortage when there's no shortage. There are so many people who are waiting to be posted, to go and teach. And when we get clearance, we do that. We are one of the few countries in the world where you can get 100 teachers today if you want them. So our universities have done a good job, but we need to do a better job in the deployment process. And we are going to do just that. You see, politicians, sometimes we don't do ourselves a favor. We are worst enemies. Worst enemies in the sense that if you look at the work Nana Danko Kufuor has put into education, somebody can look at you, say with a straight face that he has done nothing. So these days I do evidence-based communication. No green book wahala. I show you what we've done. So I told them to do me a favor, show me a few things, so that the people who are gathered here will see the enormity of the task what has been accomplished, so that we live here knowing that Ghana's education system is on the right track. And teachers, you have done so well. Don't allow anybody to take your credit from you.
I'm saying for the way a doctor or say I will do to medication minister or South Yam Rasbe Junior Woman Rasbe Jefima this year war was some Chabaton Persia so and yet in Canning and Ra a church for the Yan and no so soon a church moo a kekan some say I yes I and a free such in the crab say Ghana Mumasia and watch say enya no cre ne crown was seen so and uncle Dano Cocotre no so the name Guns and Yenia and could I need to chap Nasia canesa na kwambisu no near Persia Chresasia church for no crass so no or more and more than no catch church for no say Ubia Casa Omon Cancha Yana say or Buano Mun City who I was affording in a no Dr. Isaac Ousu, a president of the Ghana National Association of Teachers and no, a Natiano. One also catch a man penny and another Danko Kufa, the man penny, a church for Nico, Media Maka, education minister Seme Bois, Megusua may catch a war. Now per coin out Befaso, I'm a teacher for Atno, Mayimo, no Munko UK, or Munko US, Enko Australia, Enko Canada, no more, any Mayisika, more Sikano 2 years so. 2 years so pa ni intime entena omemo Dr. Isaac Ousu.
October 5 each year is celebrated as the World Teachers Day. It is a day on which education is assessed worldwide and a look taken at the issues of teachers and strategies to address them outlined. In fact, teachers are also appreciated for their exceptional display of competencies and contributions to the advancement of the human resource growth of countries by the product they turn out from the schools, colleges of education, universities, and other tertiary institutions. Your Excellency, historically, October 5 is a product of UNESCO. Mr. Harris Soya, to recognize the rewards to recognize and reward the country's hard-working teachers. This year's World Teachers Day theme, which has been adopted by the Ghana Teacher Prize, is the teachers we need and the education we want. The global imperative to reverse the teacher shortage is apt. And here let me recognize our positive deviance, Professor Bikrai, who 3 days ago gave us a solution to the theme. That, Your Excellency, to reverse teacher shortages in Ghana, give Ghanaian teachers more money. If you
I was on phone to where Dr. Isaac Ousu not penimpa and yetin can we a no church for that mudi ye war takradi abonten so and odesan semi eto man penin and adu danko akufo do nim ye to aso na ye formo en consent fufrum na emrase dwani o womrase jefima de she wo boko central abaton pesia so ye ramahama yarega na wode atugase Bank of Ghana penimpa Dr. Ernest Addison semo a wokeka de kire ndi semrase jafo no won de won koso ano nso mabufu won koso ana sebi won keka ne ope emfa nkire wunum na ewiase de opam be ma opam hufu adabia kwa bia so obekwa akoto ne be ma no mo ka kire ne se anamo na omutu ye no nyese bia no munnim ne wo so mo ye se eye mrase jafo na omofa sa akwan no so a na onfi wonum mai wonum anu nti ena mo ye omadwene so mbeti asimontene so no ma ye kire ma Ghana ma de hye nyina hunu se ade a Bank of Ghana mpanimfo no eye no nyese bia ndi semrase jafo no fo so wo mo ebonyo so anu nti omo ema mansa nyina ehu nti nyese bia ase omo ye twitwirafo abro so wo mo enti asemase ya abro so Bank of Ghana penin ena Boko Central Brazil gani ekike bi de chene so on yonko so asebi no nto ne panko na dachi bi no sebi obehia eyedifo mama yare ganse bi ne.
We have been very civil in our approach, and to have no meaner person than the governor call us hooligans is clearly provocative, and I have no doubt that going into the future we might not be easily restrained when we come after the governor and his deputies. We were very civil. We did everything within the rules. We spoke to the police. We met the police took us to court. We went to court. We complied. The demonstration was the most successful and peaceful. And after that, the central bank governor called us hooligans because we were really very nice. Well,
Observe to way NDC Mraswe Jenny or Woman Raswe Sima this year Woboko Central Abaton Pesos Yura Mahama Yarga and Yetin in Canana and Swa and Witchery and Odetun Amansi and say Adianoa Bank of Ghana Penny Dr. Nesadesen in a pump for a yeno 1 day Unusumu Bugana for a Digana for Dreamwa Oberhese special Cosipita Crano Obebem Nasemi Odneni Aquacudi Titru and no Mapro Side 10 Binoa was Yenua de Biada Omukobusa Neboa was sana no see a brasso se Bank of Ghana and penny for no special kwesi Peter waton safre wunum.
I'm yet to officially make the referral to the special prosecutor, but I responded to him that based on his refusal to answer the questions and provide the information, I'm left with no doubt that some corruption-related offense has taken place. I believe that they have colluded with their contractors to pad the pricing potentially for personal gain. And that is what the Office of Special Prosecutor is established to do. The Central Bank, we are taking them on in several respects.
Observe to way a penny Mahama Yaragani attending Kano NDC Mraswe Jenny or Woman Raswe Fima this year Woboko Central Abaton Pesua so can NDC Mraswe for Noa or more ETC Montreso a year yet Bank of Ghana and Penifono and Ochese or more dear Papa Nensamno or more Enyan to one Munyan Terasa on the Waswa a piasso at the Aquacoma special prosecutor no ama semi what in any ADHD. Observe for you free and some no not your famo and call Wayere petrol ni diesel bo if we enre ba ena yehu se ase petrol ni diesel bo no apagya ne mu kakra consequence ne 1 cedi ni 2 cedis bia ba betototo so a and am so be ba say you know mama ni tu access on performance nsem 4 pence medu kata remrant ye de ensem ne basa no a ye fifi mu didi mu ba ba mu hwehwe mu a ansa na ejase ya no pipiripi ye de bebo so mama hu de etua mu a ye de akwakobo so enu nti no ye ko Chamber of Petroleum Consumers so matena ye opani ba ko a wo senior research fellow wo honomo opani Samson ade ye ne no ekokudi nkomo kobusa ne se ede ade na asie anu nti efri enra be ya ye hu se petrol ni diesel bo no consequence bi ene 1 cedi bi esa so ababeto to so ne wo kire se ni nyina ene kwasi brone ka ne se sa pricing windows ade ande no a wo me ye ne bosome bia no eno no ma ye no a na nka we kra no ne o de to so no ye kuma bi nto ma nsusu sa filling stations ni bi ebeto to mo dim ne so ba tutu mu a na bibia ensi eye ne kwa so no penny Samson ade.
The first pricing window for the month of October no and na yes ka you better petrol by 1 and I say this 1% na this is why be 2.5% na the amana ye nwa aka say OMC na say station for no say bo say be na say bo so we dey ade a ntumu na international committee and now say competition e wo ho more because of the deregulation you know and ka about the star 1% ya na e be change na no na ye da sorry ya e say station we no and amana yen waka ntumu de hu se eba eno de mrakwa mu na ntumu ne ba because adwaman so no ebona pega ne mu kakra wo honum na eye yesi do so ho de na akofom kakra na ntumu ne eba no na eye station for no yeso o we de tira nya kase ka wo de ko mo da fa bobo na ka se etaba bi ma na ka obodo ma consumers abobo sha ntina ye head se ka bon be jira bi na nka mpdal mu so na eno ne da so ya kase enyo mu na ba station bi action bi ma
for penny Samson Adama na so anu ache ne ye kwakobusa no se de yakwakoti o se tema oyere refinery esi we empenifo ye nhyehyɛ no mo de yakwakochi ankrankra bi nsema mo madada no no dachi bi ebetima nya nsunsuan so papa e diesel ne petrol bo so ama bi atete aba fom a ama Ghana for ye ho atimi ato ye ne na e no se koye na akose ne omusi pe no a enka ne papa mu a se enkoba se Ghana ye besesa ye petrol no a ye tu no o mayimo e de akokosi ni crew so akwakonoa ayi petrol ni diesel ne kerosene nom ene sa ne mane na firi masa so e de abom ne mum se wa afidie ne bi wa ha se ne ye betima no ache so ama na bia nya petrol ni diesel de afiri mu a dollar sem ne nyina na etu betwa amane ma ababa from de amayopani Samson ade
omo ejuma no ama to a akopom no amaka peda to amaka to ejina na so dia kababua ama eye fan wono ebo no aboma ya because the two eye fan wono ha se wie ya crude no after ko na me wonya petrol wonya diesel aviation fuel kerosene naphthalene ene den kaka ho nyina afu na eno na tema oya refine na nka nan ma ye no eye ntibie na eno na ase nti bi fe refa eye shape kwa mono ne ya tua shape ka $1 na amono no so kɔrɔkɔrɔ wɔ kan wɔ ma ma di omudi no ɛnɛ sɛ ɔmo bɛ yɛ ɛyɛ tɔ sɛ ama tɔ ayɛ adwuma ɔmo bɛ hwɛ na ma kɔ akɔ hɔ no ama tɔ adwuma de no akɔ n'anim kakra deɛ.
Observe where you are penny Samson Ada or yes senior research fellow Chamber of Petroleum Consumers and I know Ekukudi and Komoyan Twasway. Yadamoko for no Southwest Abaton Pesia so Nasa Bayan and Gomesia once and some Ebetumpo one Pesiano Suntino and Raspi Jenny or woman Raspi Fima this year war and Pesiano so Noble Johnson Kokodu at the table Ninkoya and Kodana Betnet and Swaka Kodum Education Directorate ya and one Abatwa and Pesiano so now a bankruptcy penny or Wahonum and a Jina MP Honorable Johnson Kokodu Anemwa or the Sanyama way MIA Honorable Joseph from Pobusun some or the two Janie.
The president was a Kokodu and what Rapa Premier Yasa and Kuna Hansia at your Mercy 750. And then they hand over their education for some Kochama schools. There Hansiani at your media, bet me a court enemy. Said them because you can know. The Sasra said, on non Tonko Sonomoa. Yes, means I know could be a mechanic, said a schools in La Benyan Kumana and Paneva Biatama at General Transport. In so we training the school at the Rakumaso. And we said, no man here and son at the China District Makoso, you may see.
Observe for to where a bankruptcy penny or war for no Southwest main cinema yera Joseph from Pombunsu and at Yeten Kano or Penny Charles Nicholas Sosono a Yabwa for Sonko at the Honorable Johnson Kokodu na on also in some more the two journey.
Say, get the Urasi, Sanse. Na ho keka ewo nwoma suam ene manse puntu no e na eye nwanwa eni busome mienu kura na odi nkunya ma ko 350 e de brem panifo ena ene so odi 650 asabe piso school fees a o tuama omom ko school pon ene school adan a o sine mantem ha de bia meka MP odi mfie ngotwe enya get farm projects ma ko 22 4 pen onya nwie e nwanwa enti kikameka na se nyamisira yewura no kan hono mana hode nimdie no nko so fanso ne manfo sanse no nti ne yesoma ne nkran
observe no cho penny justice kwasigba to so aye penimpa o hwengumasuya so wo mansini mo na nsamni.
Honorable Member of Parliament Era Johnson Kwakuadu ase se enam ne lobbying so otumi aboama enya nkunwa dodo we see isi esusu na pam for assembly members omo boye pa omo from na you know crepa in terms of kunya deficit na the picture was not good at all now so me hu say we buy and in fact na many agye enche bia honorable onwa namna onwa na modern boss we bi kakra bia di ka ba me the couscous the situation is still not good to we abey at the moment oh sha e be cover schools be 40.
Observe for to where a penny power no so hwengumasuya so e wo mansini no na ogine man na eja Oliver Twese wode bi atato das ye bi mra biem das ye nyado Honorable Johnson Kwakuadu anamontu a watu e wo ne mpesua so eno no ye to aso ne ye de mo fra santemantama sei na ye de mo akomfimfim mantem na watwe mu ne ye de to mo nim we kra de be na ne nansakra ne sa ene ye de to mo nim se abaya bi a osua de wo University of Education Winneba abaya yi ye se o level 300 dia ICT and ho ade na osua se de ade ne ha no se de ade ne koka no se de chese wa se ne ho konfo ya abaya mojamono fefefe to brum kama ase ne ho konfo na ekoba asa no ebi chese an jama boyfriend girlfriend sem ya ene ya no fo broken heart ya baba nansen ene bi abaya no wonya bi a wantimi anhye ne ho so a enam so ma no eko eje ne nkwa edifri ne nsem so menne na busuafo ababonten esra police for se eja wonum ahyase afefi nsem no mu no omo de atenkyere ne ene pepepe yo na omo hye ne mu se sansem no a ababeto aposifo ani mu no omo nsa ebeka ede afrim abaya ya na osua de wo University of Education Winneba na ICT na osua ho ade a no level 300 ya busuafo wase ne ho akonfi mfoni na ebia TV no so na ne nua bema ene ye kasa ye nua Erica nana oto ye credit free mfimfim mantemo ne nua bema ne kasa e de tugase abusua ne de ne omo gia ene pepepe yo ene attentre no mo fi se obi ho bon ne nua ba no ewu no mo
hwe body no me hwe body na sabi o me nyini bebre sa nanso bibia nkyerɛ sɛ me nua no ahyɛ ne ho akɔmfo na ɛsan sɛ menyɛ legal personnel enti no mintimi nka nsi so dua sɛ ɛyɛ akɔmfo hyɛ anaasɛ sɛbio obi na ayɛ ne bɔne enti so obi sa me ankyerɛ mu kakra me de bɛma no because deɛ minim ne sɛ nka obi hyɛ ne ho akɔmfo a ne ɛbɛn no so ɔbɛpre ɔbɛtiti ne ho ama ne ho ayɛ kuro nketenkete yɛkɔhwɛ bɔde no bibia nyɛ yɛ nua no bibia sa enya yɛ nua no a ɛkyerɛ sɛ like ɔhyɛ ne ho akɔmfo ahoma so obi hyɛ ne ho akɔmfo a yɛtwi kasa mu no yɛka bi sɛ ɔbɔ nyansapɔ na ɔde ahyɛ ne ho akɔmfo a mahu sinan sɛ mesi so nkwalabrɛ mbɛsi saa brɛ no ɔbɔ nyansapɔ na ɔde ahyɛ ne ho akɔmfo wei deɛ sapɔ ɛna ɔde kye mama ne kɔn saa wɔamɔ ne pɔ
Observe nti weye aye abaye ya woda TV isu ya wase ne ho akonfo be ne nansanie a usua de University of Education Winneba level 300 no wo ICT na usua ho ade ya ne nua bema na oni nua Erika na edi nkoma na oche so omo de ade ne ye omutirim na nsini wo no mutirim nti ne omo hwe animu a ene atentere ne ye gina we so na no pay ensema e baba no de besom na busuafo ye de mo siase ne asore ama ade ache bia dwumadie atoa so asedan koma kuku a woni chinchin fidie ne de ma me anopai Emmanuel Segu na ifri eye Segu Ling e de enko TV ne so na Asante ebo Benedict so ene yesemfo pani ansemi osem nyina e de ma me bidin e de nana ya abo amale bia boga busiafo anopai ya mamo ache
Beer Mami, fufuri yedao. Me po chao.